Happy Wednesday, guys. I hope that you all are doing well and taking care of yourselves and really practicing social distancing, because the sooner that we can combat this virus, the sooner we can go back to enjoying our day-to-day lives as it was before all of this pandemic. I actually do have a Watermarble Wednesdays to share with you guys. I'm so happy I was able to get one done. I feel like they've been a bit sporadic and I'm going to try to make them more consistent, but sometimes life just doesn't go the way that you want it. So if you'd like to see how this one turned out, keep on watching. So for the base of this water marble, I'll be going in and using Paint It Pretty polishes out of the blue. Now you guys know I usually do like to go in with a white base when I'm doing gradients, smushmanis, water marble nail art, just because I personally feel like it does help the colors to pop a bit more. But just because this is a sheer polish, I decided that it would be best for me to use the lighter color as the base, because then that way it would not show so much of the white, if you get what I'm picturing in my head. But as you can see, this is the reason why I decided, to go with the lighter color as my base. As you can see, out of the blue is a really stunning and pretty sky blue holographic polish, but even as I'm putting on the second coat, you can see that there's still some visible nail line and you can still see some of my nail itself. So this is why I decided to use this as the base, because it's just gonna make things easier. To help speed up the drying process so that I can go ahead and get started with my Watermarble nail art, I'll be using my Girly Cosmetics Water Rush top coat. To help protect my cuticles and to help make the cleanup process so much easier, I'll be going ahead and using Girly Cosmetics Border Patrol. And the reason I use this is because when I'm doing any type of gradients, smushmanis, water marbles, honestly, this is a lifesaver and a game changer. Can you imagine having to clean up all that nail polish around your cuticles? Worse, if you're using a nail polish that stains, it will take some serious time. So for this water marble, I'll be going ahead and using my marble cup from TwinkledT's Glamor Matte. And I'll also be using Sally Hansen's Xtreme Wear Mellow Yellow along with Paint It Pretty polishes out of the blue polish. So I'll just be going ahead and alternating between the two colors. Personally, I always try to get the bullseye dead smack in the center, but sometimes it goes off to the side or it's like on this weird angle. But thankfully this time it was dead smack in the center, and it just helped to make things easier for me. Now as I'm alternating between out of the blue and mellow yellow, you now can understand why I decided to use out of the blue as my base color. It is so pretty but sheer, and I feel like if I had done this over the white base as I usually do, the white would have been too visible and it's not the look that I was going for. The thing about water marble is it really is up to you how many rings that you want to do before you start to create your design. There is no right or wrong. Just make sure that you have enough so that when the outer rings do dry, you do have polish that is still easy for you to maneuver to create the pattern that you want. To help me create the pattern that I want for this water marble nail art, I'll be going ahead and using this water marble tool from What's Up Nails Pure Color number 7. Honestly, I really love using this for water marble because for me, I just find that the tip of it is the perfect sharpness for me to get the designs that I want. Now that I have gone ahead and got my cuticles all tidied up, I'll be going in and applying one last and final coat of Girly Bits Cosmetics What a Rush top coat to give it a high gloss and super shine finish. And there we have it for this week's Watermarble Wednesdays. I adore how these turned out, even though I did go in with the lighter base. On some nails it looks like the yellow was overpowering, but you know what, I think it turned out great. Thanks you guys for so much for tuning in and sticking with me. Please do hit the notification bell so that you will get notified when I do post new content. If you did like this tutorial, please do give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. And always guys, please subscribe to my channel as well. Any products that I use will be listed down below, and if you have any comments and or questions, feel free to leave them as well. As always guys, stay glamorous.